Hello and welcome back to KTN Gaming. Welcome back to my Amiga series. So, today's game, proper classic, Arkanoid. Let me just turn music on. Whoa, I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready. Gotta remember to use mouse on this one as well, so it might be a bit... It's not as good on here. Let me see if it's any better on here. That weren't a good start. Right, I'll turn audio on. Right, so I think it's F1. Let's go, let's go. Might be better on my knee. I think my mouse settings need adjusting. It's not very quick. Right, let me just go back. Let me just go back to menu. I'll have it at 0. Don't want expert, I'm not that good. Right, let's go back. Let's continue. Right, so we're on F1, which is player 1. Whoa, don't want round. Are you mad? It's a bit sensitive, isn't it? That's a little bit better. Oh, I slowed it down a bit now, that's better. Try getting that. Oh, I missed it, I got that and all. Make quick now, Jesus Christ. I used to spend hours on this. If any younger generation are watching this, they'll be like, what the hell's this? What's cracking here? This is like what we had. This is classic, this. Classic. Missed it, I'm talking. Trying to get that. Still missed it. God, I used to get rate far on this. My sensors must be off. Sensors are off, I tell you. I need to lock in. Lock in, I tell you. Right, so open that. F1. Let's try again. See, I have ordered a mouse mat off of Temu. I don't win it all PLI, but just to make it a bit easier, because with this mouse it's a bit... Oh, that's better. Still missed it. See, I don't actually know what they are, but I can imagine they're not good. I'll say you keep doing that and I can get that one. Oh, just missed it. Right, so oh, let me turn that off. That Arkanoid. Spent many hours on that. I forgot the highest level I ever got to on that, because when I got the Amiga, I don't think I had a mouse mat, and it was like a blue one, and I think I ended up buying it because obviously where I live, South Yorkshire, obviously back in the day there were proper game shops, and when you used to buy a game back then, you used to buy a game at that rate. It went like, it won a floppy disk, but the box were massive on an Amiga. You're thinking, shit, what am I getting here? It's huge. You'd only get like one disc, so it was quite, you know what I mean? But I mean, like in today's gaming, like with Xbox and PlayStation, you buy a game and there's like old DLC, so it's like not complete. But when I used to go to the game shop, I think that's when I bought a proper mouse mat, because I used to struggle with mouse, you see, and because I didn't have a gamepad like you know, like the one you get. I don't know if you can see it. That's the gamepad you get with A500 Mini. I had the like joystick type one, that black one with red button, and then I had mouse for like Arkanoid and stuff. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that trip down memory lane. If a lot of you watching can relate to spending hours on Arkanoid. Yeah, so please like, subscribe if you're enjoying my retro stuff. And thank you for watching. I'll see you next one.